Let me show you how to enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. Now, if you're new to the iPhone, maybe you just got a new iPhone 17, you can always turn on Apple Intelligence. I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you need to check is whether your device is compatible with Apple Intelligence. Not every device is compatible. If you have an iPhone 15 Pro or a newer one, any iPhone 16, any iPhone 17, iPhone Air, those are all compatible with Apple Intelligence, as well as some of these iPads and Mac computers as well. So keep in mind, you need to first check to see if you have one of these devices. If you're not necessarily sure which device you have or iPhone you have, you can always go into the About settings, and you can see here I have an iPhone 16 Pro, so it is compatible. Now, after we've done that, let's turn on Apple Intelligence first by making sure that we've updated our phone to the latest version. You can see it's currently iOS 26.1. You need to update your phone to the latest version because this is a fairly new feature on iPhones. Now, after we've done that, we can turn on Apple Intelligence by scrolling down and choosing Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, if Apple Intelligence is turned off, all you need to do is toggle it on. It might say that there's a wait list, or it might say that it needs to download some information, but you also need to go through the process of turning on Siri, because essentially Apple Intelligence and Siri work together. So on here, let's tap on Hey Siri, and then go through the prompts. So you can see it didn't ask me for the prompts, but if you do it again, it might do something like this. It says set up Hey Siri, and I'll show you how to do this. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Now, after we've done that, you can see Siri is turned on. In addition to Apple Intelligence, you know that Siri and Apple Intelligence are working because there'll be a visual border around your background. So if I say, Hey Siri, you can see this visual border around the background indicates that Apple Intelligence is turned on. The old Siri just had the little icon at the very bottom that would spin around. But now you can see Apple Intelligence is turned on. You can always just get out of it just kind of by swiping up from the very bottom.